Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Radvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video, we have completed reading with art chapter number 1 from the book Beehive. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Okay, so we have completed reading the story and I am very much sure that the story is very much clear to you all. Okay, and in today's video, we will see the comprehension part. We will solve the questions that are there in the chapter. Okay, so let's begin. Question first, answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Okay, so let's see the first question. How old are Margie and Tommy? Okay, so in this question we have to tell the age of Margie and Tommy, the two characters from our story. Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Okay, so as we have read in the story, what is the age of Margie? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy, he is 13 years old. Okay, next question, what did Margie write in her diary? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that Margie, she was having this hobby of writing in diary, so we have to tell that what did she write in her diary. Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie wrote in her diary, today 17 May 2157 Tommy found a real book. Okay, so what did she write? First of all, she mentioned the date. Okay, and what was the date? It was 17th May 2157. Okay, and what did she write? She wrote, Tommy found a real book. Okay, next question, had Margie ever seen a book before? So in this question we have to tell that Margie ने क्या इससे पहले कोई बुक देखी थी, वो बुक जो टॉमी को मिली थी, राइट? सो बिफोर डैट क्या मार्गी ने अपनी लाइफ में कभी कोई रियल बुक, कोई पेपर बुक देखी थी? ओके, सो लेट्स सी द आंसर. No, Margie had never seen a book before. Okay, so it's very obvious that our answer is no. And Margie ने इससे पहले अपनी लाइफ में कभी भी एक रियल बुक, एक पेपर बुक उसने लाइफ में कभी भी नहीं देखी थी. ओके, next question, what things about the book did she find strange? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that about the book जो उसने अपनी लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम देखी थी, जो कि टॉमी को मिली थी. सो अबाउट दैट बुक, what were the things that was so strange for Margie? Okay, so let's see the answer. The things she found so strange about the book were, okay, so what were the things? The pages of the books were yellow and crinkly. Okay, so first thing was that it was very old book. Okay, so all the pages, they were yellow and they were crushed. Okay, the words stood still instead of moving. Okay, and what was the other thing that was so strange for Margie? And it was that जो words थे उस book में लिखे हुए, right, they stood still. Okay, और Margie वो क्या हैबिट थी, अब तक उसने जो बुक्स पढ़ी थी स्क्रीन पे, राइट, उसके जो वर्ड्स थे वो क्या होते थे, वो कंटिन्यूसली मूव होते रहते थे. ओके, सो फॉर मार्गी इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रेंज दैट ऑल द वर्ड्स दे स्टूड स्टिल इंस्टेंट ऑफ मूविंग. ओके, व्हेन दे टर्न बैक द पेज इट स्टिल हैड द सेम वर्ड्स दैट इट हैड व्हेन दे फर्स्ट यूज्ड इट. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट वाज सो स्ट्रेंज फॉर मार्गी, इट वाज दैट व्हेन दे टर्न्ड बैक द पेज, ओके, देन दे फाउंड दैट द पेज हैज द सेम वर्ड्स स्टिल. ओके, सो इट was again very strange for Margie, right? Next question, what do you think a tally book is? Okay, so in the chapter we have read a book, tally book. Okay, so we have to tell what is our idea that what this word means, what a tally book is. Okay, so let's see. A tally book is a book which can be read on screen. Okay, so what is a tally book? Okay, in the future, according to the story, paper books will not be there. Okay, and tally books will be there. Okay, so what is tally book? Tally book is a book which can be read on screen, right? All the text appear on screen, students can study from it, right? So papers नहीं है, paper book नहीं है, tally book है. Okay, जो screen है उस पे सारे text जो है वो वहाँ पे appear होते हैं and all the students, they can read, they can study from that screen. Okay, so that kind of book is known as tally book. Clear? Next question, Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Okay, so in this question, first of all, we have to tell that where was Margie's school, and second, we have to tell that was she having any classmates? Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie's school was at her home only. Okay, so where was Margie's school? It was at her home only. Okay, because in the future, according to the story, the building of the school is not there. Okay, और सभी स्टूडेंट्स के घर में ही स्कूल है. ओके, इट वॉज राइट नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम. ओके, एंड मार्गी's स्कूल इज जस्ट राइट टू हर बेडरूम. नो, शी डिड नॉट हैव एनी क्लासमेट्स बिकॉज ईच चाइल्ड हैज हिज और हर ऑन टीचर. ओके, एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन वॉज दैट वॉज शी हैविंग एनी क्लासमेट्स. सो आवर आंसर इज नो, शी वॉज नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लासमेट्स. एंड वाई, वॉट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज ईच चाइल्ड हैज हिज और हर ऑन टीचर. ओके, सो सभी स्टूडेंट्स के, सभी चिल्ड्रन के इंडिविजुअल टीचर्स है. ओके, सो कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स ग्रुप में स्टडी नहीं करते हैं, साथ में स्टडी नहीं करते हैं. सो दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लासमेट्स. ओके, सो मार्गी शी वॉज नॉट हैविंग एनी क्लासमेट्स. राइट. Next question, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that according to the story. Okay, what are the subjects that Margie and Tommy they used to learn? Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie and Tommy learned geography, mathematics and history. Okay, so in the chapter there is the mention of these subjects only. Okay, they are geography, mathematics and history. Okay, so maybe वो इनके अलावा और भी subjects पढ़ते होंगे, right? But in the chapter जो mention है subjects वो यही है, they are geography, mathematics and history. Okay. Next question is answer the following with reference to the story. Okay, so in this question we are given with one sentence from the story. Okay, so after reading the sentence then we have to solve some questions. Okay, so first of all let's read the sentence. First sentence is I wouldn't throw it away. Okay, so let's see our first question. Who says these words? Okay, so this is the sentence I wouldn't throw it away. So we have to tell that who is the speaker of this sentence, who says these words. Okay, so what is the answer? Tommy says these words. Okay, so after reading the story we can solve this question, and the answer is that Tommy is the speaker of this sentence, right? So Tommy is the person who says these words. Okay. Second question is what does it refer to? Okay, so next we have to tell that the word it, right? ये जो it word है किसके लिए आया है, ये it word किसको refer करने के लिए यूज किया गया है. Okay, so let's see the answer. It refers to the books that are shown on television screen. Okay, so what is it here? It refers to the books, those books that are shown on television screen, right? Or we can say tele books. Okay. Next question is what is it being compared with by the speaker? And in this question we have to tell कि ये जो it है, so what are it? It is tally books. Okay, so जो tally books है उसको किसके साथ compare किया गया है by the speaker? So who is the speaker? Tommy. Okay, so we have to tell कि Tommy ने tally books को किसके साथ compare किया है. Okay, so what is the answer? It is being compared with the paper book by the speaker. Okay, so जो tally books है उनको किसके साथ compare किया गया है? They are compared with the paper book by the speaker, or we can say by Tommy. Okay. Next is we are given with one more sentence, and after reading the sentence we have to solve some questions. Okay, so first let's read the sentence. The sentence is sure they had a teacher but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Okay, so this is the sentence, and now let's see what is the first question. First question is who does they refer to? Okay, so in this question we have to tell कि ये जो word है they, right? ये they word किसके लिए आया है? they word से किसको refer किया गया है? Okay, so let's see the answer. They refers to the older generations who used to go to school. Okay, so जो word है they किसके लिए आया है? They refers to the older generation, right? So olden time में जो schools हुआ करते थे और school में जो लोग पढ़ा करते थे, जो older generations है, right? उनको refer करता है ये word they, और वो generation who used to go to school. Okay. Question second is, what does regular mean here? Okay, so what is regular teacher? What is the meaning of regular here? Okay, so let's see. Regular means the mechanical teacher. Okay, so regular teacher means mechanical teacher, or we can say the robotic teacher. Okay, जो you know future में है, जो टॉमी और मार्गी के जो टीचर्स है. Okay, so those teachers are used as a regular teacher here. Okay. Next question is, what is it contrasted with? Okay, so this question we have to tell कि जो मैकेनिकल टीचर है, राइट, उनको किसके साथ कॉन्ट्रास्ट किया गया है, किसके साथ उनको एक तरह से कंपेयर किया गया है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द आंसर. It is contrasted with a normal teacher who was a living human being. Okay, so mechanical teachers, or we can say the robotic teachers. Okay, so they are contrasted with a normal teacher. And what is a normal teacher? A living human being. Okay, that used to be in the olden time, right? जब older generation स्कूल जाया करती थी, so उस समय जो living human being as a teacher वहाँ हुआ करती थी, उनके साथ contrast किया गया है mechanical teachers, or we can say robotic teachers को. Okay, next question is, answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Okay, so let's see the first question. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that according to the story, right, what kind of teachers are there in future. Okay, or we can say जो Tommy और Margie है, right, उनके जो teachers है वो किस तरह के teachers है. Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. Okay, so first of all, there are no human being teachers, right? They are having mechanical teacher, or we can say robotic teachers. Okay, they have to be adjusted to fit the mind of each student it teaches. Okay, अब जो mechanical teachers होते हैं, right, इनको क्या करते हैं, इनको adjust किया जाता है. Okay, and why? To fit the mind of each student it teaches. Okay, so जो students हैं, right, उनकी stamina, उनकी potential के according जो teachers है, राइट, उनको एक परफेक्ट लेवल पे सेट कर दिया जाता है, एडजस्ट कर दिया जाता है. ओके, दे हैड बिग स्क्रीन ऑन विच ऑल द लेसन्स वर शोन एंड द क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड. ओके, और जो रोबोटिक टीचर्स है, दे आर हैविंग बिग स्क्रीन. एंड व्हाई? सो बिग स्क्रीन आर यूज्ड वेयर ऑल द लेसन्स वर शोन एंड द क्वेश्चंस वर आस्क्ड. ओके, दे आल्सो हैड अ स्लॉट वेयर स्टूडेंट्स हैड टू पुट होमवर्क एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स. ओके, और जो रोबोटिक टीचर है वहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर एक स्पेस होता है, दैट इज नॉन एज स्लॉट, एंड दिस स्लॉट इज यूज्ड टू पुट होमवर्क एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स बाय द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, next question is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Okay, so in this question we have to tell the reason, that what was the reason that Margie's mother she sent for the county inspector. Okay, so क्या reason था? Send for means to call for. Okay, so what was the reason that Margie's mother she called for this county inspector? Okay, so let's see. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning well. Okay, so what was the reason that Margie's mother she sent for the county inspector? So the reason was that the mechanical teacher was not functioning well. Okay, it kept giving Margie tests in geography and Margie was performing worse. Okay, और जो Margie की mother है, right, why she was having this idea that mechanical teacher is not functioning well? So the reason was that जो मैकेनिकल टीचर थे मार्गी के, इट केप्ट गिविंग मार्गी टेस्ट आफ्टर टेस्ट इन ज्योग्राफी. ओके, एंड मार्गी शी वाज अनेबल टू परफॉर्म वेल. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई मार्गी's मदर शी सेंट फॉर द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर. ओके, next question, what did he do? Okay, so in this question we have to tell what did he do. So who is he here? He is the county inspector. Okay, so we have to tell that when the county inspector, when he was there at Margie's place. Okay, so what did he do? Okay, so let's see the answer. The mechanical teacher was not working well. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. Okay, so what was the reason that Margie's mother she called this county inspector? The reason was the mechanical teacher was not working well. Okay, and what was the problem with the mechanical teacher? The problem was that the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Okay, so this was the problem, and the county inspector was there to repair the mechanical teacher. Okay, so what did he do? So the county inspector slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Okay, so what solution the county inspector was having? He slowed it. Okay, so जो geography sector था that was too quick. Okay, so the accounting inspector, he slowed it down, and how much? To an average 10-year level. Okay, so according to Margie's level, he slowed it down. Okay. Next question is, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all the reason, that what was the reason that Margie, she was doing so bad in all her tests in geography. Okay, and secondly we have to tell that the county inspector, when he was there at Margie's place, so what did he do to help Margie? Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick for her age. Okay, so the reason that Margie, she was unable to perform well in all her tests was that the geography sector of a mechanical teacher, it was geared a little too quick for her age. Okay, so this was the reason that she was unable to perform good in her geography test. Okay, and what was the way that the county inspector used to help her? So let's see. It kept giving test and she had been doing worse. Okay, the county inspector slowed it up to an average 10-year level to help her. Okay, so county inspector उसके मैकेनिकल टीचर का जो ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर है उसको थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन कर देते हैं up to an average 10 year. Okay, he also motivated her, saying that the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Okay, and after that he also motivated to the girl Margie, and how he said that जो overall pattern है of her progress, it is quite satisfactory. Okay, so he told Margie's mother that it's not the girl's fault, right? He said that Margie is not at fault because जो overall progress है that is quite satisfactory. Okay. Next question, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that what had once happened to Tommy's mechanical teacher. Okay, so we have read this in the story. Okay, so let's see the answer. Once the history sector of Tommy's mechanical teacher had blanked out completely. Okay, so it was taken away for nearly a month to be repaired. Okay, so जब मार्गी के मैकेनिकल टीचर में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, okay, और काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर आके उसको रिपेयर कर देते हैं, so at that time मार्गी remembered this thing that once the history sector of Tommy's mechanical teacher had blanked out completely. Okay, and at that time it was taken away for nearly a month to be repaired. Okay, so Margie remembered all these things and she was also hoping this thing कि जो उसके मैकेनिकल टीचर है उसे भी कुछ टाइम के लिए ले जाया जाएगा रिपेयर करने के लिए, राइट? बट ऐसा होता नहीं है और जो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर है वो उसको वहीं उसी टाइम रिपेयर कर देते हैं. ओके, सो मार्गी शी वाज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. ओके. Next question, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all that Margie, was she having regular days and hours for school? And secondly we have to tell that if so, if our answer is yes, then we have to tell the reason why. Okay, so let's see the answer. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school. Okay, so first of all our answer is that yes, Margie was having regular days. Regular means a fixed days. Okay, and fixed hours for school. Okay, and what was the reason? Because her mother believed that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Okay, and what was the reason that she was having regular days and regular hours for study? Because according to Margie's mother, little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Okay. Next question, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? So in this question we have to tell Tommy's description about the old kind of school. Okay, so let's see. Tommy says that the old kind of school had a special building and all the kids went there. Okay, so Margie, she was totally clueless about the old kind of culture of education. Okay, and Tommy, he was explaining all the things to Margie. Okay, so what did Tommy say? Tommy says that the old kind of school had a special building. Okay, and all the kids, they used to go there to study, to learn. They had a teacher who was a man. Okay, and in that building, in that school there was a teacher, and that teacher was a living human being. Okay, they all studied together and learned the same thing. Okay, और वहाँ पे classrooms हुआ करते थे, and all the students they used to sit in a group, okay, together in a classroom, and they used to learn same thing together. Okay, so this was Tommy's description of old kind of schools. Okay, next question, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? Okay, so in this question we have to tell about Tommy's description of old kind of teachers. Okay, so let's see. Tommy describes the old kind of teachers as living human beings who did not live in the house. Okay, so when Margie she asked about teachers that उस समय teachers हुआ करते थे और वो भी human being teachers हुआ करते थे. So Margie she was so surprised. Okay, then Tommy one more time he explained all the things and he said that उस समय जो teachers थे वो कैसे होते थे, they were living human beings and they did not live in the house. Okay, instead they taught the students in a special building. Okay, so वो घर में नहीं रहते थे but they used to teach in a special building and that building was known as school. Okay, they taught the children in groups and gave them homework. Okay, और जो teachers होते थे they used to teach in groups, okay, in classrooms, and they also used to give homework. Okay, next question is answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, right? So this is long types of questions. So first question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Okay, so in this question we have to describe the kind of school, the kind of teachers that Margie and Tommy they used to have. Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. Okay, so first of all about the teacher, we know that Margie and Tommy they were having mechanical teacher or we can say robotic teachers. Okay, they had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. Okay, और जो mechanical teachers होते थे इनकी जो appearance थी वो कैसी होती थी? So they were having large black screen on them. Why? Because all the lessons they were shown and questions were asked there on that screen. Okay, these teachers were adjusted according to the age and potential of the student concerned. Okay, और जो mechanical teachers होते थे right, उनकी जो programming होती थी, उनके जो functioning का way होता था, that was adjusted according to the potential of the children. Okay, they had a slot in which students had to put their homework and test paper. Okay, and they those mechanical teachers they also having a particular place known as slot, and this slot was used to put the homework and the test papers by the students. Okay, they had to write their answers in a punch code and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately. Okay, and all the students okay जब उनको homework मिलता था, कोई उनसे questions पूछा जाता था, then they have to write the answers or we can say they have to complete the assignment in a punch code. Okay, punch code is a language of a computer and the mechanical teacher used to calculate the marks immediately. Okay, their schools were in their homes itself. Okay, and in the future there is no particular building known as a school, और जो school था वो actual में घर पे ही होता था. They did not have any classmates और सभी students के सभी kids के उनके individual teachers है. Okay, so they were not having any classmates. Okay, they had regular days and hours for school. Okay, लेकिन उनके school के जो times होते थे, जो days होते थे, they were regular, they were fixed. Okay, so that इस तरह के schools, इस तरह के teachers future में थे. मार्गी एंड टॉमी के साथ जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम था that was of this kind only. Okay, the mechanical teacher always turned on at the same time every day except Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, और जो मार्गी की मदर थी राइट, उन्होंने ये सिस्टम बनाया था that every day same time पे एजुकेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती थी and except Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, they learned geography, history and arithmetic. Okay, and in the chapter we have learned that Margie and Tommy they used to learn these subjects and they are geography, history and arithmetic. Okay, Next question, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all the reason, that what was the reason that Margie she used to hate school. Okay, and secondly we have to tell that finally when she came about the old kind of school, old kind of teachers, तो उसको ऐसा क्यों लगता था कि उस समय जो स्कूल होता था it was very fun. Okay, so let's see the answer. Margie hated school because it was not fun. Okay, so the reason that Margie she used to hate this word school because for her school was not at all fun. Okay, she had a mechanical teacher who used to teach her every day at a fixed time in her house. Okay, और Margie के लिए school का क्या मतलब था? She was having a mechanical teacher at her home only. Okay, and this mechanical teacher used to teach her every day at a fixed time. Okay, she hated the part when she had to insert the homework and test papers in the slot on the mechanical teacher. Okay, and the part that she hated the most was when she had to insert her homework, her assignment and test papers in the slot of the mechanical teacher. Okay, she did not like the fact that she had to write her answers in a punch code. Okay, और उसको ये बात भी पसंद नहीं थी कि उसे एक पंच कोड में, एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज में अपने सारा असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना पड़ता है, अपने सारे आंसर्स लिखने पड़ते हैं. हर डिसलाइकिंग फॉर द मैकेनिकल टीचर वॉज इंक्रीज्ड इवन मोर व्हेन शी वॉज फेलिंग टू परफॉर्म वेल इन द ज्योग्राफी टेस्ट. ओके, और उसकी जो डिसलाइकिंग है, उसकी जो हेट्रेट है फॉर द स्कूल, फॉर द टीचर, वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली इंक्रीज होती जा रही थी. वाई? बिकॉज शी वॉज अनेबल टू परफॉर्म वेल इन हर टेस्ट इन ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट. ओके, she thought that the old kind of school must have been fun as she imagined all the kids from the entire neighborhood coming together, laughing and shouting in the school yard. Okay, and the second thing that we have to discuss is that why according to Margie the olden type of school was a fun. Okay, so the reason was that she imagined that जो भी neighborhood के सारे kids हैं, सारे students हैं, okay, they used to come together laughing and shouting in the school yard. Okay, then she imagined that they would sit together in the classroom and go home together at the end of the day. Okay, so now she was visualizing all the things, right, कि पुराने समय में कैसे सब साथ स्कूल आ रहे हैं, साथ में they are laughing, they are shouting, they are playing together, right, and they are sitting together in the classroom. और जब स्कूल ओवर हो जाता है then they used to go back their home together. Okay, so when she visualized all these things, तब उसको ऐसा लगता है कि ओल्ड टाइम में जो स्कूल थे they were actually real fun. Okay, they would learn the same things and could help on another with the homework. Okay, apart from that उसको ये भी लग रहा था कि when they used to learn the same thing together, okay, then definitely they can discuss each and everything and they can help also. Okay, also the teachers were human beings that would make the learning process more interactive. Okay, apart from all these things, the one more important thing about the olden kind of school was that the teachers at that time were living human beings. Okay, और जब teachers human beings होते हैं then definitely you can interact more and more. Okay, all these aspects made her believe that the old kind of school must have been fun. Okay, so because of all these reasons finally she started to believe that the schools of olden time were fun. Okay, next question is, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Okay, so in this question we have to tell what is our viewpoint, what do we think. Okay, so are we agree with Margie, okay, when she believed that जो पुराने टाइम के स्कूल हैं, right, they are more fun. जो स्कूल आज हमारे पास है, right, वो स्टोरी में जो मार्गी और टॉमी का स्कूल है उससे ज़्यादा फन है, उससे ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. क्या हमें भी ऐसा लगता है? What is our viewpoint that we have to write. Okay, and we have also give two reasons. Okay, so if we are agree with Margie then we have to tell the reasons that why we are saying so, and if we are not agree with Margie, if we are still having the thing that no, Margie and Tommy's schools are better, okay, then we have to tell the reasons. Okay, so we have to justify our answers by giving the reason. Okay, so let's see the answer. Yes, I strongly agree with Margie that the schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. Okay, so students, you can write your own answers here, right? What do you think? What is your viewpoint that you can write here? Okay, so according to me, I strongly agree with Margie that schools today are more fun, okay, than the school in the story. In the story, teaching is done mechanically inside a learner's house itself. Okay, so now we have to give the reason. So first of all, the first reason is that in the story जो school दिखाया गया है, जो मार्गी और टॉमी का school है, right, in that school there is a mechanical teacher, okay, और जो education है वो कहाँ पर होती है, it is done inside a learner's house itself. Okay, studying and answering questions in the absence of classmates seems to be a boring idea. Okay, so if you are having your education, if you are answering the questions, okay, and there is no classmate with you, so this is a you know very boring idea. Writing homework in punch codes, and that too without anybody's help, would be really exhausting. Okay, and you know when you have to write all the homework, all the answers in punch code, right, and that too without anybody's help. Okay, so this is also a very exhausting thing. Okay, a mechanical teacher has no emotions and sentiments. Okay, apart from that, when there is a mechanical teacher, right, so obviously that machine is not having any emotions or sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the psychology of a student. Rather, it teaches him or her according to its adjusted modes. Okay, so एक जो machine है, right, it is not having any understanding, right, about the psychology of a teacher, बल्कि उसको जिस program के according adjust किया गया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो बस टीचिंग का अपना जो वर्क है वो परफॉर्म करता है मशीन. बट इन टुडेज स्कूल देयर आर टीचर्स हु आर द रियल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. ओके, लेकिन जो आज के टाइम के स्कूल्स हैं, जो हम जिस स्कूल्स में हम पढ़ते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, देयर आर टीचर्स हु आर रियल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. ओके, they have more understanding and accommodating than mechanical ones. Okay, और जो real human being teachers हैं, okay, obviously they are having more understanding about the psychology of students. Okay, they work for the overall development of a child. Moreover, children develop a better understanding about each other and of their surroundings when accompanied by the students of their age. Okay, so जो आज के समय के teachers हैं, okay, they work for the overall development ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, राइट. उनका जो एक ही पर्पस नहीं है कि सिर्फ एजुकेशन देना है. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, बट दे ट्राई टू डेवलप ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट इन स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, और इसके अलावा जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो डेवलप अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट ईच अदर एंड अबाउट द सराउंडिंग्स व्हेन दे आर अकम्पनीड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ देयर ओन एज. ओके, another major advantage of today's school is that if any student faces any problem with the subject or in homework, then he or she can discuss it with the teacher and other kids in the class. Okay, so one more important thing about today's school is that we are having classmates, right, we are having teachers, we are having human beings as teachers. Okay, so obviously if we are having any difficulty, if we are having any doubts, so we can discuss all the doubts with our friends, with our classmates or with the teachers. Okay, it is impossible to do such discussions with a mechanical teacher. Okay, so all these kinds of discussion जो है वो हम mechanical teacher के साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, in today's schools, kids learn various qualities like sharing, respect, obedience, kindness, etc. Okay, apart from all these things, we can say that जब हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं, right, so स्कूल में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम सीखते हैं, right, we learn how to share, we learn how to respect our elders, we learn how to obey all the things, and we also learn how to show kindness, right. They are encouraged to take part in games, sports and other activities which are necessary for the overall development of a students. Okay, और जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं वो स्कूल में होती हैं. बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक गेम्स, स्पोर्ट्स और इसके अलावा और भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिनमें हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, और ये सारी एक्टिविटीज़ दे आर मस्ट फॉर अ ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, राइट. Thus, all these factors prove that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. Okay, so all these things are there to prove the thing that जो आज के schools हैं, they are more fun than the school that is presented in the story. Okay, so because of all these reasons, we can conclude that yes, today's schools are more fun than the school that is presented in the story, the school that is Tommy or Margie's school. Okay. So students, we have completed all the question answers here. I hope the chapter, the story and all the question answers, everything is clear to you all. Okay, and in next video we will start with our next poem. So see you in the next video. Thank you.